As the home of Brigham Young University, Provo, Utah is situated in a valley at the foot of the Wasatch Mountains, 50 miles south of Salt Lake City. Just under Y Mountain in Provo sits the new Provo Power Building.
The Utah Municipal Power Association, we're a joint action agency that serves 6 member cities: Provo, Spanish Fork, Salem, Nephi, Levan, and Manti. Provo City, they became an electric utility in 1940, and it was at the time the only power supply that Provo had. But just like all technology, it started to age and started to have mechanical problems, and the cost to repair it became problematic for us.
The city wanted to be more energy conscious and invest in better air. The smokestacks at the old power plant came down in 2016. The Utah Municipal Power Association recently replaced its 76-year-old power plant with a new one, powered by 5 CAT G3520H natural gas generators.
We learned that they had an old plant that was out of emission specifications and that they were looking to replace that plant. And as they looked at what their needs were, it was more for quick response, good reliable power to a very economical strike price. As Caterpillar's product line developed, the product we installed here was new and really worked into what their needs were to match what their requirements were.
It provides for peaking power when we need it, and also it's used for transmission reserves. We're able to run the plant to help offset costs that come from transmission services.
The Caterpillar 3520H has a very good heat rate, which gives them a very low cost of producing energy. It also has a quick response time, so it can play in the imbalance market where they need to be up and online in 5 minutes. This particular engine can do that and feel the need to take over when solar and wind goes away.
As home to some of the world's best skiing slopes, Utah's Wasatch Mountains and the valleys below act like a bowl and create inversions during winter months, which can trap pollutants near the valley floor. While many Salt Lake County residents have been complaining about hazy, dirty air, people in Provo are breathing better. The new 12-megawatt power plant is significantly cleaner than the previous plant.
With this power plant being located along the Wasatch Front, we wanted to have it as clean as possible. And the SCRs clean the emissions 97% of what the old plant used to be. So this is a very unique and clean power plant in producing electricity along the Wasatch Front.
We're about 20-25 minutes away from here, and we have the same screen here at the plant and at our remote run site. There's only one button to start the entire plant, and then you can adjust either up or down the plant kW output just with the touch of a button here on the screen.
I think the strong point that CAT has is the product support. As the customer looks to evaluate equipment, one of the main concerns is to have it ready and available when they need it. If there is a problem, to get it taken care of as quickly as they can. The Caterpillar dealers are the ones that can step in and do that for them.
When we call Wheeler for help, they're top-notch. From when we schedule to have a technician come down to when we have a technician on site, scheduling times that we can take engines out of service and estimating time for work. They're absolutely top-notch to deal with. We've really enjoyed working with them.
We've had the plant now for 6 months, and we've operated that way, and it's definitely been saving us hundreds of thousands of dollars over those last few months.
Caterpillar takes a very conservative approach to their products as they design their equipment. They look at it for long-term life and reliability. We'd like to under-promise and over-deliver.